Hey y'all, Brittany here, aka Teeth and Tendrils. Now, if you are an OG member of the TNT fam, hey boo, I missed you. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Today, I'll be giving you all a quick tutorial on how I achieved this fluffy, voluminous, defined 3-strand twist out using none other than Alikay Naturals Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. First off, this is Alikay Naturals. Y'all already know that it smells like tropical paradise. And look at this, it's thick. It ain't going nowhere. You really want to make sure that you warm up this creamy moisturizer in your fingers before you apply it to your strands. My hair already feels super soft and super moisturized, and with ingredients like raw shea butter, argan and coconut oil, and vitamin E, how could it not? As you can see, detangling is a breeze with this product. Now the 3-strand twist part. Step 1, start with 3 strands. Next, you want to think of it as an assembly line of sorts. So you're going to move your front strand to the back and then move the other 2 forward. And what that means is the middle strand is going to come to the front and the back strand is going to come to the middle. Again, assembly line, front strand to the back, middle strand to the front, back strand to the middle, and repeat. Front strand to the back, middle strand to the front, back strand to the middle. It's almost like a carousel of sorts to where you're literally just twisting the 3 strands around each other. But be careful that you don't get so complacent and just start braiding. I almost did that a couple of times for sure. Here's a comparison picture. The 2-strand twist is on the right-hand side of the screen and the 3-strand twist is on the left-hand side of the screen. As you can see, the 3-strand twist looks thicker, fuller, and honestly just more tightly wound. Takedown was a breeze. One of my favorite things about this Alikay Naturals Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer is that I barely had to use any extra oil to take down my twists. And y'all, get into this definition and get into this shine, okay? Last but not least, fluff to your liking and you are set, honey. And there you have it. So like I said, this was my first time doing a 3-strand twist out, so y'all just bear with the kid. But I will say that I really like the definition. I've definitely got to work on my technique, like hands down. But I really like the definition that I got. This is day 2 hair. It took a long time, but I like that it gives me more of a curly fry look versus like a long spiral look, you know, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I'll definitely be working on this technique, you know, figuring out the kinks and all that good stuff so that we can get this to perfection, honey. Now, in terms of this product, I really enjoyed this product a whole bunch. As y'all could see in the video, it's thick, right? So a little definitely goes a long way. I'm really surprised that it gave me as much hold as it did. Just kind of the fact that it's of a butter type consistency. I wasn't expecting too much hold, but I got a ton of hold, a ton of moisture. So it's literally a win-win. I can't complain. Like I said, the smell is amazeballs.com. So yeah, I will definitely be using this to perfect my 3-strand twist outs as well as other out styles, braid outs, twist outs, 2-strand twist outs, things of that nature, you know? So like I said, Alikay Naturals Shea Yogurt, Alikay Naturals Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer. All right, y'all can get this at Target, CVS, Walgreens. You can also get it online on their store, and if you get it online, you can use my code Brittany15 for 15% off. So, you know, save your coins, boo, but get your blessing too. Anyway, I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. Let me know down in the comments if it was. Let me know what type of outs you like. 2-strand twist outs, 3-strand twist outs, braid outs. Will you be trying a 3-strand twist out after this? Let me know. I just want to talk to y'all, okay? I just want to talk and like make friends instead. But yeah, y'all make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on social media at Teeth and Tendrils, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.